Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. On the menu today, going to make some kedgeree. Now, there are 1,000 ways of making this. Some people use kippers, herrings, mackerel, even salmon. Some people use poached eggs, nice and soft. I use hard-boiled eggs. Some people would put some frozen peas in it, some green peas. Tons and tons of ways of making this. This is my little version. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's take a look at what we have here then. So we've got some cooked basmati rice. And by the way, all of the amounts of the ingredients are going to be in the text below. So we've got our rice there. The fish, any smoked fish you like. You can use kippers or herrings or mackerel. That's up to you. Bell peppers, I like them in there. Cilantro or coriander. Now some people would just put parsley in. Eggs. I'm using hard-boiled eggs. Some people would like them nice and soft. Some people would put poached eggs as well. I've got some cumin seeds there, garlic ginger paste, curry powder, onion, and just there a little touch of lemon juice. Just a note on our fish. This fish is ready to go, ready to eat. You don't need to cook it at all. It's been smoked and it's beautiful. Now, some people would get some fish that they would put into milk, a little bit of salt and bay leaf and cook it that way. For me, no need, we're gonna go straight in with that. So I've got my pan here and I'm melting some butter. Now some people will just use oil. I've even seen some people use ghee. I've just got some butter there. What we're gonna do is drop in those cumin seeds. And our onion. Our garlic ginger paste, or if you want just some chopped garlic or ginger. I'm now going to add some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and we're on a low heat. I'm going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. So these onions are softening really nicely. It's at this point I'm going to add in my bell peppers, which I like in there. Some people put some green peas in there, like some frozen peas or something like that. I'm also going to now add our curry powder. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit and we're going to go for about 3 minutes. Really wonderful and so versatile. Like I say, you can add and take away so many things to it, so many different versions. We're now going to be adding in our fish, our smoked fish. Just cut that into nice pieces. And staying on this heat, which is just slightly above medium now. I'll see you in about another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. I'm now going to introduce our rice, our cooked cold basmati rice. And we're just going to fold this in. As you can see, I've changed spoon now. Be back in about 2 or 3 minutes. Great stuff. A little bit of lemon juice. Some fresh cilantro or coriander. Or like I say, some people use parsley. We're going to fold that in. We're going to turn off the heat. And I'll see you at the table. Okay, serving plates there. I'm just going to add a few more pieces of our smoked fish on top. I've quartered our eggs. Like I say, I like mine hard boiled. You can do it a completely different way if you wanted, nice and soft or poached. Let's get those on there. Looking absolutely wonderful. I really, really love this. One more piece. Little bit of cilantro or coriander, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Leave us a message and say hi. We do like to hear from you. And give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.